Well, it's July 4th. Happy Independence Day, everyone. And I just want to do a quick video about different types of lawnmowers and how various types of mulch plugs work. This is a lawn boy, which I unfortunately threw a rod recently. But that's alright, I didn't pay much for it. But this model has a mulch plug. As you can see, there's no flap when the plug's not in place or if you take the bag off. Let's go outside and I have two more to look at. Here we have two Craftsman mowers. They both work motor-wise. Let's start with the older model. This one has a built-in mulch plug in the door. Now I actually like this design a little bit better because it's kind of difficult to lose it. This is a newer one. Let's see if I can get a good shot. See how... Oh, let me get a shot from behind. As you can see, that's much longer. And I didn't realize when I first picked this up that it needed a mulch plug, so I just took the bag off and shot grass at it. So, let's go look at the older one again. Now you got them both right side up. So if you're getting a used mower and you want to mulch with it, you may want to download the manual just to see if it requires a mulch plug. But generally, if you get anything with a deck that looks like this from Craftsman, you usually don't have to worry about that. As you can see, that's quite deep there. This one does need a new drive belt. I'm not particularly crazy about the Craftsman Easy Walk system. Honestly, I'd rather use that system or even the old lever. Even this works better than the Easy Walk system. And a lot of people don't like it. If I go too long without using that, I forget. Anyways, hope everyone has a good day.